Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO A3 and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find the users and accounts or Google. It's totally up to you which section you prefer to use. I prefer to use users and accounts, so let me tap on it and then tap on add account. Choose Google and make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. So you can use Wi-Fi or mobile data, totally up to you. Here in this step you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it and tap on next. Right now we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it, and here you've got the info, and tap on I agree after reading. Okay, here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so just tap on accept. If you want to learn more about the backup, I highly recommend to check our tutorial about it. So as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device, and of course we can always remove it. Simply tap on it, tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again, and as you can see, it will immediately disappear. Of course, be aware that if you've got any kind of screen lock, you will have to enter them to confirm everything. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.